I decided to burn all my sulfide materials. Remember, I was doing aqua regia method and I didn't get almost nothing there. So I decided to burn it, all that sulfide. Then we'll see what we can get it out. And it's nice, but I don't know. So let's put it and burn it. I don't want to throw it. I'll be material for this, how say it, leaching method. We'll see what we get from that. So I put some fire right now, all those rocks in, and we will see what's happening. There is a gold, but it's so small, and the aqua regia don't recover nothing almost. So I need to do another way. So we'll see. We'll see what we can make it. Okay. I don't want to burn too much rocks. I put it on the top. It's okay. It just goes after a while. Okay. You see, we always do something. And now I need to put a little bit on the top. I think we let them burn it overnight. In the morning we all burn, and I try to see can I get some gold or not. Just a panning. If not, then I leave it for later, that material, and when I be ready we do leaching. Okay, a lot of smoke. Maybe wet, but we don't have rain. How can be wet? It's okay. I think till it gets hot, the smoking after disappears. Oh, looks like already having some fire. Tell me, just how nice to look in the fire. Just don't breathe what we're getting there, because the sulfur will be burning. There'll be big smell coming. Okay, nicely burning. I already smell sulfur, so means everything going follow plan. So I let the burn all this wood, and I'm not putting extra nothing, and we will see tomorrow what we get from these rocks. Okay, so rocks already got red, and I took out a little bit those wood and I keep it till the morning. That definitely burns everything what is inside, all sulfides and all sulfur, everything be gone, and tomorrow we'll be crushing. We'll see what's happened. Okay, look how they look, nicely black ones. In the morning they'll be white. It's so funny. I like to do this job. Morning, good morning. Okay, let's see what we got from those rocks. Oh, they are hot. Still hot. Need to get the gloves maybe. Let's see. Wow, looks nice, but do we have gold inside? You know it's hot. Need to wait. I'll put the water on them. Okay. I just repainted all those pans what was here, because they already was full of dirt. I repainted it, and look what kind of size of gold I forgetting. Can you see? That is a line of gold. All this, you see the microscopic gold? All that line is a gold. They're so small. I can't believe it. And I don't know what is that, big ones. This looks like big gold too. I'm getting rich. Look how much we're losing. I right now have another pan. There I put all those what I pan it. I put it in, but over here just saw a lot of interesting stuff. And you see gold is swimming on the surface. It's swimming on the surface. That is a gold. What kind of size of gold? That sand need to do leaching, because another way you lose a lot of sand is those gold, like gold. And these big pieces is silver with the gold, I think. Let's see, look in the microscope. I pan it everything, and look how much gold I'll be losing. That's a lot. Okay, that's so much microscopic gold. Over here, silver with the gold. You see those big pieces? I look in the microscope, it's silver mixed with the gold. And this a lot too. Look. I don't know. This gold is a lot of silver in this gold. And when I do chemicals, I see that silver bothers me, not let me take everything what I want. Okay, we use mercury to collect all this thing, and rest we put in the beaker, and we'll see what we get. I took all the rocks from my fireplace, and I see all those layers and everything. You know what? Well, here I see macroscopic gold, which one I didn't see before. So, but the gold is very small, microscopic, and I want to see, did every rock have that? Here, nothing in this one. But over here, you see how they easy to break right now? Let's say, just little boom, everything falls apart. Okay, so I'll be crushing with this part, and I want to see what kind of size of gold I get it. But earlier I now didn't see that gold, but when I burn it in the fire, the maybe sulfur went away, and now I see the gold, little pieces. Maybe not even remember I was panning. I got a lot of sulfides. So those sulfides maybe burn again. I didn't see nothing, but started seeing microscopic gold. So that means this material is good for leaching. Let me check. Let's just little piece with this one. We crush it in possible smaller size, and we try to see what we get it. Okay. Okay. Let me work. Okay. Oh, I finished with the making smaller the sulfide. Oh, everything fine. It went straight went in. So you see, sulfide material is have a gold, but to recover is very hard because it's with the sulfur, and the only way to recover is to burn that sulfur. And I was keeping them in the fire for all overnight, and just in the morning I took it away, that all rocks, and I already crushed one, and I saw the very, very small gold in that rock. So right now I want to show you, if I can see, what we have in here. But keep in mind, in sulfides, it's very hard to get the gold. It's very small size. Maybe it's somewhere else bigger, but I never see that. So let's see. Very careful, need to pan it, because that gold really small. It's like microscopic sizes. I need, I think, 2 hands. Okay, I pan it and then I show you. Okay. Look how small gold is here. All those pieces is a gold, you can see. Okay, it's a lot of gold, but look how small is that gold. I don't know. So why I say leaching is the best thing to do it with this kind of small gold sizes. Yeah, and you see what I can tell you. To recover this gold, you need to burn those rocks. Burn those rocks, then you can recover. Another way, I don't think so. So let me collect those, separate those all small pieces. I try to see how much I can get from few rocks. Okay, let me collect this one and crush another few rocks. Okay, you see how small that gold is. All this line is a gold. And let me maybe go in the shade. I don't know. You see, that is a sulfide gold ore. Actually, they have gold. They have gold, but it's very small. I don't think so. You can use any sluice boxes or anything to catch this gold because it's too small. Oh, okay. Let me crush another few rocks from another rock to see the another rocks have the same gold or not. Got another crushed rock. Right now I'll be panning. And what I can say, sulfide ore have a lot of gold pieces, but that pieces is so small and microscopic, and just leaching. I try to collect in the bottom. Where is that? Okay, you see that in the bottom? Just very little. So imagine, it's very hard to pan because it's small size and swims in the water. So I think sulfide materials we need to just to do leaching with some kind of chemicals. No aqua regia, because this is a lot of metal, I think, in this sulfide ore. So we need to selective leaching do it. It's like Echo Goldex. I don't know another chemicals, but Echo Goldex is more selective. It takes like all those precious metals and I think copper too. So we will see. There's no copper in this place, so that is good. So means all this precious metals be dissolved with silver, gold, and everything else. Let me pan it. I need 2 hands. Another rock. I pan it, but I say, very small sizes of that gold. Here you see those little pieces, but they're so small. But it's a lot. If you look in the microscope, then it's a lot. Let me try to put the microscope to show you. Maybe you can see too. Okay, give me a second. I have to use microscope to show you that, but guys, it's impossible. I try to make maximum what I can. You see those all yellow stuff? It's a gold, but there is a lot of them, let's say, but how say it, just for leaching. But you see how many of them? Thousands, but they're so small. Believe me, if I put a finger next to them, you see what kind of size of gold. So this gold is not recoverable. If mostly people pans, I guarantee they lose, because look what the gold is swimming on surface. You see, it's gold. This is gold. It's swimming. That kind of size of gold is here. Yeah, swimming on the surface. So for leaching, it's a good material for leaching, for nothing else. If you want to pan with the sluice boxes and sulfide material, the gold is so small because it's locked in the sulfides. It's like the iron pyrite or something. So when you're using dissolving, not dissolving, or burning on the fire, the sulfur goes away, and then you can separate the gold. But you see the size of those golds. Yeah, so I'll be keeping those rocks till I get the rock crusher, better one, and I do crushing and leaching. Right now I'm working on leaching machine. I will show you, but right now I don't want to play with this gold because this is too little. It's no worth for me play. My rocks contain a lot more gold, but I just wanted to know, do we have a gold in this rocks? And it looks like we have. So maybe I crush one more rock. Let me crush one more rock. One more rock, and look, in this corner. Okay, or here. Gold. Gold from sulfide material. Okay, what is this? How to show you. See? 6 times bigger showing. One thing you can collect with the mercury, this gold. Where is that gold? Look, you can collect with the mercury or continue with the leaching. So I will try, maybe I transfer all this material, I make some eco goldex, and we will see what's happened. This is not recoverable. If you want to recover this gold, you know, you'll be spending hours. With mercury, maybe fast, boom, no more. It takes everything. But if you just want with pipette, you'll be playing. No sluice boxes, nothing else can collect that gold. That is too small. Believe me, I right now 6 times bigger showing, but if I go normal, you see, because of you see them, because of that, they are in the center. Everything put it in the center. And sand, you need to crush it that small too. So that gold is sulfide gold. So I just do another one. No, I need to take it out. That one. Choosing one more rock to crush it. This looks like my similar. And this one have. See, they became red. There's a lot of sulfides that burn, and then rock becomes red. Need to check it out, this one. Yeah. See, this is kind of sulfide. But what is good when you already, it breaks like very easy, you know. After heating them, they breaks very easy. And so just need to get a crusher. We can work on those materials. But you see, where is the thing? When I try recover with aqua regia without burning, I don't get anything, any gold. There was gold little bit. You saw how that was very light color. Okay, I crushed this rock. This will be last. I got an idea what with these rocks, they contain a gold, but it's very small sizes. And for right now, for me, till I finish, I don't think so. I need to do it. Okay, right now I pan this one and I show you how much I did already on that my machine to leach it. Okay. Crush one more rock right now. This will be last rock I crush it today. One more time to need to be understand do we have really gold in that. But I saw already small gold I saw. So right now we just one more time finish experiment and be 100% sure that there is gold. So I don't throw those rocks on the road because they contain the gold, but just need a different kind of methods to recover it. And very hard to pan it. It's almost impossible if you not have experience on this thing. Almost impossible to pan it. You need to be very careful and know what you're doing. Not even I can show you right now. I need two hands. Well, get surprised. It's a little bit more gold. You see? It means I need to go back to that place and take more ore. You see? I got it gold, but it's little bit bigger. It's almost like my size, what I getting from my rocks. So you know what is good when you put rocks in the fire? Very easy to crush it. You know, I don't even have energy to crush anymore. And with this, with one hand barely hitting, you can crush that rock. So look how nice gold, little pieces. So that sulfide ore contains the gold. So it's worth going collecting more because there is a lot more. I just took it a little bit, and when I got fail, I almost lost the interest. But now I see there is a gold. It is in the same places like regular gold on the sides of the rock. So okay, that's it for today. I'm putting this in my holding container, bottle, and yeah, look how it shines. Sulfide. Okay, now I can take it a little bit more, push it in, and this sand goes away. The sand don't have nothing. Tapping, little tapping to helps to recover gold. See the sand full of small pieces. It's like thousands of pieces, and here a little bit bigger pieces. So everything fine. We can work. We just need to try right now. I need to finish by those few days. I need to finish my machine. Right now I go and show you. Okay? This is my leaching. There'll be leaching for 5 gallons of sand, and I can make it some kind of schematic over here. I have timer to set the time, how long I need to wait till pump comes on. This is power for electronics inside, and this is my sensor, fluid sensor. It's thyristor, if you know what is that. It's very sensitive, and it's not done yet, but I'll be putting inside a bucket. And this is a pump which won't be inside and pumps the juices. It puts on the back. Here be some kind of ring which won't be connected to the pipe. There'll be spraying like little holes, like 5-10 holes. So right now you see this is a very simple thing. It'll be not connected to nothing. You just take it out, throw the sand, and fill it up new one, put it in, and put this with the ring back and start process again. So this second part, which one is another little bucket I made it over here. It's everything very simple. Okay, here I be adding sensor, and on the end there'll be 2 contacts, and when from the bottom all fluids goes passes the sand and start going here, sensor starts working and turn off that time relay after when sensor clears out, no more water coming and from that bottle. This timer starts working, and when timer turns on, it turns on pump starts pumping from the bucket. Here be inside the pump like this. They'll be inside. I need to make a hole somewhere in the middle, pull all those wires and like this, but this will be in the hole somewhere. And we be use like 1 gallon of juice. And we will see the cycle be continue. You know, when this solution be passing the sand, all sand inside, when it finishes, it sucks air from the atmosphere, sucks air, and that helps to dissolve the gold, because that chemical requires oxygen. So oxygen we use from outside, from air. And how we providing that oxygen, you know, when water goes down and sucks air from the outside and fills up all that sand with the air, and then all juice goes down and pump starts pumping. When everything is gone, cycle repeats, and that way we don't need to sit and watch. And believe me, right now I saw today how much small gold is in this place everywhere. Sulfide, especially sulfides, they're so small. This is good for leaching. It leaches out, and right now that kind of system I created. You know, where it's a good thing. This stays the same. You can increase the pump size and bucket size, and this you can put like 5 or 6 on the top each other. Just need to make to hold those buckets. 1, 2, 3 is like 5. Or use different containers, like a big containers, to leach that gold. So then you just have a rock crusher, crush material, put inside, and start cycle and keep it for a week or 2, and then you get the juice, which one be pregnant solution, like they call, and you just need to find a way how to recover. And so recovering, right now I planning to do with the zinc. After that I be practicing making how they call electrowinning system. So that be best, I thinking, because all the gold right away goes on electrodes, and you don't have any chemicals, not even deal with them. So that kind of system is not finished yet. I need to drill a hole to put its pipes and wires. I need to take this sensor. This is what earlier I was having the same kind of system to leaching, but I was using little 2-inch pipe. So how much in 2-inch pipe is not a lot. So this sensor be taking out and putting on my another place. Actually Teresa planning put inside, and so far is that much done. So watch and we'll see what we get. Okay. I don't have nothing else to do, just sitting creating stuff. I'm electronic engineer, so it's no problem. Oh, those old people, huh? I don't believe it. They retire sitting at home and do nothing. No, they're working more than they work at work. Okay guys, I'm finished for today. I don't know what to show you. You ask questions, I try to show you. That's it. Bye-bye.